Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and we are playing Adopt Me Pirate version, and I'm here with my dad, and, we are headed to his house, so, let's do this thing.
Okay, I just got him.
So, here he is! Alright, so this is my dad's house. We can give you a tour. Here's his TV. Then he has some, I don't know what those are. He has cool wallpaper in here. Oh, he's taking a shower. Guys, don't look. Guys, don't look at the bathroom. Don't look at the bathroom.
Okay, all set.
Okay, all set. Okay. Alright, let's go. Let's get out of this house. Well, your house, Dad. And, let's invite this girl to our family. Wait.
Hey, I'm not in your family.
Oh, actually, so, if you haven't played Adopt Me in Roblox yet, on the side of your screen, you can see that there is, what is it called? A little family button, and you click create family. Then, if you want to leave your family and you don't want a family, you can press that and then you press yes. But to create a family, you press create a family, then you press X. Once you go to a person, you press E if you're on a computer, but you could just click it if you're on an iPad or device like that, or phone or whatever. You press E, then it says invite to family. You could say that. You could do that. And then he would accept, and then we would just be family. But what you could do, Daddy, do you know how you do? Ready? You should watch too, Dad. Ready?
Mm-hmm.
So, if you're with a person that you don't know in this game, and you really want to go to them, and it's not your friend, and it's in your family, it says go right on their name, and you could just go to them. So I would just go to him. Know me? Know me? What? She just said know me. Alright. Well, and if you want to dress up, there is a side button that says dress up. You can go to that, and you can switch to a baby. Oh, nice, I'm a baby. Then you could just jump up here. There you go. So, what's that? Alright, so, now you guys will be able to see the whole entire screen now. Alright, there we go. That's perfect. Whole view here. I moved the view. So, this is my house, and there is my little real avatar, if you haven't seen my real avatar, and you're new to our channel and stuff, and you're just watching it, new and stuff. That is me. Oh, that's a cool pirate ship. Awesome. Here's Steve Yo's house. Alright. So, we are going to exit this little place and stuff. And how about we click doors? Vehicles, no vehicles, toys. Okay, wait, do I just like click somewhere or something? I don't know. Okay. No gifts. Okay. Alright, so there's a bicycle. Daddy, did you leave that bicycle for me? Alright, so we are going to fly in a hot air balloon right now.
You did that.
Oh yeah, we did. Sky Castle. It says balloon to the sky castle. If you haven't done that yet, just read the sign. It says balloon to the sky castle. You go up, then you sit in this chair. Let's try to sit in this chair. Then something will come up. Fly balloon for 5 cents. And this is the cents. It is not Robux, so if you don't have any Robux, do not worry. So, yeah. We are going to go onto the swings. So, actually, no, the slide, actually. We're going to go onto the slide. And you guys did not see too much of that last video, so we are going to show you the whole entire part. Wait, oh, wait, somebody actually has, like, cookie in. Okay, so what you can actually do, you can actually have a big jump. Wow. Then you can get up on top of the tree, and probably nobody could do this, but it's just a little idea that you could do it. Alright, Daddy, teleport to me. Teleport to me. Just teleport to me. X. Okay, you're teleported to me. So first, I'm gonna go on the slide. First, I will go on the slide.
Okay.
Daddy, don't worry. Wait, where are you? Stevio.
Where are you?
Whoa! Oh my gosh, I jumped. Oh! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, no I didn't. I landed in the hot air balloon. Oh my gosh. That was crazy. Oh my gosh.
Are you ready? I'm gonna go.
I landed so far.
Whoa, you got launched. Ready? Alright, I'm going in.
Sorry. That was so funny.
Alright, watch the end of the slide. I'm gonna go through.
Make sure to give a big like.
Oops. Here we go.
Here we go. Whoa!
Whoa. Oh my god, I got launched off the trampoline. I'm on the complete opposite side. No way. I'm over where the tents are.
Wait, I'm gonna teleport to you.
Teleport to me. Look, I'm face down by the tents. This is terrible.
What the?
Alright, can I get up? Oh, there I am. I'm up.
Oh my gosh.
Wow, how far is this?
I have no idea. That slide is evil. That slide is evil. That slide is
Oh my god.
evil.
Daddy, off the slide, off the trampoline, into the farthest corner of the park. That's never happened before.
Nope. I went on the trampoline, then that's how I got over.
Oh my god.
That was so funny, you guys. Alright, let's go back. Let's do it again. I'm gonna do it again, and hopefully I land on the trampoline. This is gonna be fun. Alright.
Oh my god.
Yeah.
That's as far as you could possibly get launched.
That slide is evil. Never go on that slide, guys. But if you really want to try it, you can do it, but this slide is evil. Yeah, it's fun to us, but if it's not fun to you, don't go on it, because it's evil.
Oh yeah, everybody's gonna try to slide on this thing.
Yeah, at least, okay, fine, Daddy. Everybody can try it at least once. Alright, whoa! Oh, that wasn't a good one. You guys,
Alright, ready?
I have to redo mine.
Okay, go backwards. Go up the slide backwards. Watch what happens. All the way up, and then jump.
Oh!
Alright, ready? I'm going through.
And it went, boo!
Oh no!
What happened?
I hit slid around. Alright, I didn't go this far. I'm in the corner of the park. Look down over there. See how I'm laying down.
Wait, oh my gosh!
Alright, come on.
Stevie, get up. Okay. So, for pets, if you have any... Oh wait, you want to join my family, girl? I'll invite you.
I'm going one more time down the side.
Alright, Alright. So you guys, we're gonna show you one more thing before we leave. Daddy, it's at 10.
Okay.
When it gets to 12, we have to end it, okay? Or when it gets to 13, how about 13?
That's good. Why don't we end it right now?
I am on the swing, and if this video isn't as long as our usual videos, we're just gonna say bye for now, but not forever. So bye. Like, give a like, subscribe and hit the bell.
Or Ella Poochie.
For Ella Poochie. Bye.